Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. So if you got the problem that I've got, if you're growing watermelon or any other plants and you notice holes in the leaves, well, you're not alone, and the good news is hopefully we can help you get this fixed and fast. In just 60 seconds of inspection, you can identify the most common culprits. It's either going to be flea beetles and cucumber beetles. These are tiny pests that may seem harmless, but they're silently sabotaging your crop by chewing through healthy foliage and stressing your poor little plant. This visual guide can help make it easy for you to spot them, so you know exactly what you're dealing with. Now here's the simple solution. You can start by removing the affected leaves to stop the spread. Then next you'll want to spray them with neem oil. It's a natural plant safe pesticide that knocks out pests without harming your pollinators or the fruit itself. If you want to keep pests away altogether, you can use row covers to create a protective barrier while still letting your plant breathe and grow. With this targeted strategy, you'll protect your watermelon plants, promote healthy growth, and maximize your harvest, all organically and affordably. Whether you're a backyard grower or managing a garden plot, this system works. So don't wait like me. Don't let the damage spread. I'm going to pluck off my leaves right now. Identify, treat, and protect, because healthy leaves mean juicy watermelons later. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.